In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your bio on Instagram. So here's what you need to do. Once you open your Instagram app, on the bottom of the page, tap on the icon with the profile photo to access the profile page. In here, click on Edit Profile. In here, you can edit your name, your username. You can even add your link. Whatever you like, just copy and paste it. Or you can switch to professional account. So I'm going to do that. So when you switch to professional account, these are the benefits that you can get. You can get professional tools, learn about your followers, reach more people, and get new contact options. So just tap continue, and you can also choose what best describe you. So you can choose whatever you want, like an entrepreneur, and click the display on profile. The next step is to choose your category. If are you a creator or a business? So if you're a creator, it means best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. And if you're a business category, best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organization, and service providers. So let's go on that. Tap next. Here you can review your contact info. Once done, tap next. Once done, in your profile, you can see all the changes you have made. In here, you can also add your link. So if you have a business link, just copy and paste it here. You can also tell the name of your business and just tap save. And that's it. That's how you change your bio on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.